Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making peach cobbler. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 10 peaches, 6 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. For your crust, you'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of warm water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and brown sugar to garnish. Make sure you have rinsed and dried your peaches. Using a sharp knife, remove the skin from your peaches. Cut your peaches in half, then slice them into wedges. Place your slices in a large bowl, then add your lemon juice. Now add the cornstarch, nutmeg, and cinnamon. Add your brown sugar and granulated sugar, then mix until well combined and all your pieces are coated. Now add the peaches to the baking dish. Transfer the baking dish to the oven and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. To make your crust, in a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt, then mix until well combined. If you would like a written version of this recipe and other great recipes, you can find them on my website. A link is in the description below. Now add your butter, and using a pastry blender, cut your butter into the flour mixture. Now add your water, then mix until well combined. Remove your pieces from the oven, then place your dough on top of your peaches. Now garnish your dough with brown sugar. Now return your cobbler to the oven and cook for an additional 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.